hard work was the key to success earlier, but now, smart work is the real deal. In last 10 years, the methods of money making have totally transformed. Go back in early 2000s, who had thought that people will be able to earn directly through YouTube and Facebook? One girl from Australia, named Chelsea, has beaten everyone in money making. You won't believe, but she is earning up to 1 million per hour, just by playing games online. Yes, you read that right. Chelsea is a graduate in pharmacy, but she had deep interest in computers. She knew that she will work and earn through computers, and that's how she entered the world of online gaming, and made it possible to earn money through it. Chelsea tells that she earns money through subscriptions, advertisements, and sponsors. People watch her playing game through live streaming and she gets paid for it. In one interview, she said, "Viewers enjoy watching you, your personality, how you interact with them. It's more hanging out with them rather than watching you play." Chelsea is also quite popular on Instagram, and is no less than a celebrity. She is close to achieve 47 million followers on Instagram. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.